Going to tell you that how to set up GitHub Copilot. So first of all, when you have created a file, you would open it. After that, you can go to extensions tab. Here you would see your installed extensions and you would search GitHub. Oh, it's just loading. Okay, so you can watch it. Here you can see its name is GitHub Copilot and it's by GitHub and it's verified by github.com. Okay, so you can install this extension and then close it now. You can close it. Yeah, so now it's installed, so I will go back to my file. Okay, now here down you would see this GitHub icon, so press on it. Okay, you can see it over here, so I press OK and now it's over here, so I press it. After that, it will ask you sign in to use Copilot for free. I will press it. After that, you would take to a dashboard like this. The account you have logged in would showing me over here, and I would just press continue. Okay, so I would allow and open Visual Studio Code, and it's open now. After that, you can close it. So it's just getting Copilot ready. Okay, so now you can ask Copilot anything. Here's a chat button. Like you can write anything. So let me write. Then wait. Again. So okay, so you can watch it's generating it over here. Okay. Over here you can press it, edit with Copilot. Okay, it's not working now. Okay, so I edited, so I did it wrong. I can add files as much as I want and it would reply to me. After that, from here I can change my model. So oops, you can also upgrade it, but I don't need. You can watch that. Monthly plan is for $10 and yearly plan is for $100. So you can upgrade it if you want. Okay, I will press Control I now. Now over here, if you press Control I, you would see a button like this. You can ask Copilot anything over here. Game of ping pong. Okay. You can watch it's generating it. Now I would ask it to two-player. You can ask it anything. Okay. Oh, yeah. Two-player. Again, it takes some time. No, but I can press accept and this code would be written over here. And I will press Control Y. Now, what I wanted is change into 4-player tag game. Okay. Let me change the model. Now it's voice generating. And it has generated my code now. Okay. And now I love it. Now let me copy it and you can paste it over here. Let me remove this. Okay. As you can watch it now, the game is generated. If I make it go back. So you can watch it. It's created. And you can make it more advanced by asking it and do anything with it. So, bye! It's your AI companion which would help you doing code and debug errors.